Lee Cole here. I want to show you how to download all your connections and really all your data on LinkedIn. So when you log into LinkedIn, you're going to see your version of this. Obviously, you won't see my picture. You're going to see your picture. And from here, if you will go to my network right here, and if you will go to see where it says connections, if you will go to CL, and right up here where it says manage synced and imported contacts, and right here, it's a little confusing. Right here where it goes to export contacts. And there may be other ways with less clicks to get there, but that's how I get there. Download your data. You can download the whole thing, all your stuff, but if you just want your connections, which is right here, you would say pick and choose. Click that for connections, and then you request an archive. You'll need your password to your LinkedIn account to request an archive, and it says it'll be ready in about 10 minutes, so they'll notify you when it's ready and all that stuff. That's how you do it. Thank you so much.